Welcome to Daily English. Today we're going to learn the names of body parts in English. Let's start from the top. Hair. Hair. Forehead. Forehead. Temple. Temple. Ear. Ear. Eye. Eye. Eyelid. Eyelid. Eyelash. Eyelash. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Beard. Beard. Mustache. Mustache. Tooth. Tooth. Gum. Gum. Now let's move to the upper body. Shoulder. Shoulder. Chest. Chest. Forearm. Forearm. Thumb. Thumb. Index finger. Index finger. Middle finger. Middle finger. Ring finger. Ring finger. Pinky. Pinky. Nail. Nail. Palm. Palm. Abdomen. Abdomen. Navel. Navel. Elbow. Elbow. Back. Back. Waist. Waist. Bottom. Bottom. And now the lower body. Thigh. Thigh. Shin. Shin. Knee. Knee. Foot. Foot. Ankle. Ankle. Heel. Heel. Great work! Now let's do a quick quiz. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Eyelash. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Index finger. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Shin. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Forehead. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Mustache. Excellent! You've just learned the names of many body parts in English. Thanks for watching Daily English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so your friends can learn too. See you in the next lesson.